And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, the Ministry of Education is reporting improved results in this year's primary exit profile PEP exams compared to last year's.
Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon presented the data at a press conference today. Sandy Williams reports.
Of the 33,462 students who sat the primary exit profile PEP exams from 964 schools island-wide, 89.5% were placed in schools they actually wanted to attend. That, says the Education Minister, Senator Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon, could be a sign that parents and schools are now teaming up smarter when it comes to selecting secondary schools.
They are able to select 2 schools. So there are 7 schools in total that our children are able to choose from. And our children, 90%, almost 90% of them have been able to be placed in a school of their choice that was on the paper that their parents handed in. And so we're very happy about that. And that may mean, too, that our parents and our schools are helping the parents to choose better, and choose more wisely.
But while the placement results deserve a gold star, the performance scores tell a more nuanced story. Some subjects got standing ovations, while others stumbled over their sentences. 23% of students scored highly proficient, top performance tier in both science and social studies. But then came a rude awakening. Only 2% of the students were highly proficient in language arts, 7% were highly proficient in mathematics. When it comes to the second tier scores dubbed proficient, 67% of students were proficient in language arts, 56% held their own in mathematics, 61% aced proficiency in science, and 58% proved they know their way around social studies.
Those are some encouraging numbers. Are they where we want to be? No. We have more work to do. But what it says is that the interventions, the work being done by the schools is paying off. And we can see with a challenging cohort, we're seeing progress being made, which means that what we're doing is right. We just need to intensify it.
Minister Morris-Dixon was quick to give credit where it's due, noting that this batch of students had to overcome the academic aftershocks of COVID-19, years of disrupted learning, digital hiccups, and screen fatigue.
Many of our children, and we have to be honest with ourselves, did not have access to the devices that they needed right away. So there would have been children who would have been in this cohort that we're looking at that would have spent some time outside of school. For 2 years, they were not doing face-to-face learning. Our teachers did the best they could to engage them. But the reality is they were at a disadvantage.
Still, they pushed through. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.